Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Sulis English channel. Today we will explore insightful topics in academic speaking. My name is Sulis. I am a student of Magister program of English education in Indraprasta University, Jakarta. And I'm thrilled here to present a topic of presentations as to complete my final test assessment on academics speaking for scientific purpose lecture. The topic is about using storytelling as a tool for language acquisition in EFL classroom. This presentation is inspired by the teaching of my esteemed professor, Prof.Dr.Mashadi M.pd, whose guidance has been instrumental in shaping this discussion. Together, we'll delve into the essential aspects of crafting scientific presentations, communicating complex ideas effectively, and engaging diverse audience with clarity and confidence. The purpose of this presentation is to inform the audience about the significant role of storytelling as a tool for language acquisition in EFL classroom. The aim is to demonstrate how storytelling can enhance engagement, foster communication, and improve language skills by providing practical strategies, showcasing its benefits, and addressing challenges faced by educators. So stay tuned as we uncover the key strategies to elevate your academic speaking skill. Let's get started. The first slide is for introduction. As you can see here, that the topic today is about using storytelling as a tool for language acquisition in EFL classroom. This presentation explores the powerful role of storytelling in enhancing English as a foreign language learning, or EFL. From captivating narratives to interactive activity, storytelling is a proven method for fostering language acquisition, building confidence, and making learning enjoyable. Why storytelling? Storytelling can be so engaging and motivating. Stories naturally capture attention, fostering a love for learning. And second is for contextual learning. Stories provide meaningful context for vocabulary and grammar acquisition. Here are some benefits of storytelling in EFL. As vocabulary acquisition, exposure to rich vocabulary within a story's context. As grammar development, understanding grammar rules through natural usage in stories. Enhance communication skill, improve fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking. Cultural understanding, exposure to different culture and perspective through stories. And the next is integrating storytelling into the EFL classroom. Storytelling sessions dedicate time for reading, listening, and discussing stories. Interactive activity, it can be role-playing, retelling stories, and creating original narrative. Story-based game, engaging game that can reinforce language learning through storytelling. So how do we select appropriate stories? Stories can be appropriate. It depends on the age and level. Stories should align with student age and language proficiency, interest and relevance. Stories should be engaging and relevant to students' needs, interest and experience. Cultural sensitivity. Stories should be chosen with sensitivity to diverse cultural background. Here are some strategies for effective storytelling. The first, reading aloud, using expressive voices and gestures to engage students. Role-playing, encouraging students to act out characters and scenes from stories. Discussion and analysis, engaging students in discussions about the story's themes and vocabulary. For the students' engagement and participation, active listening. First, encouraging active listening and asking comprehension questions. Second, storytelling activities, providing opportunities for students to retell stories or create their own. Collaborative storytelling, encouraging students to work together to create some stories. Assessing language learning through storytelling. Vocabulary use, assessing the student's ability to use new vocabulary correctly. Grammar accuracy, evaluating the student's understanding and applications of the grammar rules. Fluency and pronunciation, assessing the student's ability to speak English fluently and clearly. Comprehension and critical thinking. So as conclusions, that storytelling is an engaging and effective tool for EFL learning, fostering vocabulary acquisition, grammar development, communication skill, and cultural understanding. By incorporating storytelling into the classroom, educators can create a dynamic learning environment that motivates students and empower them to achieve their language goal. So as educator, let's continue to explore the power of stories to inspire our learners. Thank you for your attention and interest in this topic. I hope this presentation has provided some valuable insights and practical ideas to enrich your teaching practice. See you again with me with another topic from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.